Okay, I'm going to try it without giving her any shots of ether or nothing. I'm just going to push the primer bulb a couple of times, put her on full choke, see what happens. Put her on half choke. Still cold. Put her back on choke. It's very cold. I gotta let this thing warm up. So bear with me. Gotta work the fuel through it, warm her up. Okay guys, I fucked up. All I'm here to show you, I fucked up. I had to take the car back off of the leaf blower. I fucked up. I put on my metering diaphragm, or whatever the fuck this is called, in my gasket, and when I did it, I put the gasket down first on the carburetor, and then I put my metering diaphragm on top. And really, it's supposed to be the other way around. So, okay, here's startup take 2. Fucking stupidness. It just shows you can fuck up real easy, putting shit on backwards. Let's see if we can get this thing working now. Okay guys, there's a plain, good example of fucking Murphy's Law. Everything that can go wrong, will go wrong, no matter fucking what. It's supposed to be a simple fucking carb repair, which I showed you guys how to go through. And yes, I fucked up. I had the fuel metering diaphragm on the other side of the gasket, and it should have been the other way. But what was fucking me on that other machine was this right here, like I had said before. Fuel hose. As you can see, it fucking busted right off as I was just tinkering with the carb. So what I did was I just took the carb off of the machine I was working on, and I threw it on one of my other machines that I had from the auction. And it was the fuel hose that was fucking me, along with my fuel metering diaphragm being backwards, obviously. But now that I got that figured out and situated, I'm trying to get you guys on the tripod here. My battery's just about dead. Let's see if I can get you a quick fucking start up. Right here's the fucking leaf blower. Let's see. So now, leaf blower fucking works, but I had to go through a whole bunch of fucking goddamn rigmarole fucking bullshit in order to fucking get it to work. But that's what the fuck happens, Murphy's Law. And if anything, hopefully you guys learn how to take one of these little carburetors apart. If you've never done that before, it's really not that hard. It's just a matter of getting all the parts back where they went. And yeah, so if your weed whacker, leaf blower, or some piece of shit stops working and you think it's not getting fuel, I just showed you how to rebuild the carb. The kit was only $8 and you got all brand new parts in your carburetor. So I don't know guys, you dealt with me on that one, and I'll bring you guys something soon.